Hey guys, welcome back to Up Click. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you UVlizer review. So you might be wondering, what is UVlizer here? So UVlizer is a UVC disinfection lamp designed to sanitize air and expose surfaces in small rooms without using chemical cleaners. According to the official website or the website, it uses 38-watt UVC light and ozone technology to help disinfect areas up to like 200 square feet. Now, the manufacturer here claims it can target bacteria, viruses, mold, dust, mites, bed bugs, and odors, and includes a remote control with adjustable timer settings. According to the manufacturer, the lamp works by emitting UVC light, which is intended to damage the DNA or RNA of microorganisms, while the ozone function helps reach the areas that UV light cannot directly illuminate. The company recommends leaving the room unoccupied while the lamp is operating because direct exposure to UVC light can be harmful to the eyes and skin. Now, how to exactly use the UVlizer lamp here? You first need to place it in the center of the room. Then you want to plug it into a power outlet and use the remote control to set the desired timer, typically around 15 to 60 minutes depending on the room size here. And before turning it on, ensure that people, pets, and plants leave the room after the cycle is complete. You just want to allow the room to air out if the ozone mode was used before re-entering the actual room. Now, the official website here lists UVlizer disinfection towers at a promotional price starting at £35.99 or $45.69 on US sites. Now, the free shipping and bundle discounts is available. Prices and promotion may change over time, so you may want to visit their website here. Now, that's essentially how UVlizer work here. Now, if you're interested or you're planning on buying this product here, doing your own research by checking reviews and information from sources outside the website is recommended to help you make an informed purchasing decision. But this applies for anything that you're trying to buy online. And that's about it. For this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.